Prince Harry has strongly argued that he has been unfairly treated and singled out in terms of his security arrangements since stepping back from his royal duties in 2020. During the ongoing Court of Appeal hearings in London, the Duke of Sussex's legal team has raised concerns about the decision to reduce his taxpayer-funded protection when he visits the UK. His legal representative, Shahid Fatima KC, argued that Harry's security was downgraded based on a process that was neither transparent nor in line with the protocols set by the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures, RAVEC, which oversees the security arrangements for members of the royal family. At the heart of the appeal is Harry's claim that he has been subjected to inferior treatment compared to other members of the royal family. According to Fatima, RAVEC's decision-making process involved a bespoke approach that did not follow the committee's own established guidelines. She contended that this bespoke decision-making system ultimately resulted in Harry receiving a level of protection that was not only different from that of other royals but also unjustified and inadequate for his safety. The Duke of Sussex, who was once afforded top-tier protection by the Metropolitan Police, now finds himself without the level of security he believes is necessary, especially for his wife Meghan Markle and their young children, Archie and Lilibet, whenever they visit the UK. The appeal centers around the February 2020 decision by RAVEC to strip Harry of his high-level security detail following his decision to step down as a full-time working member of the royal family. This significant shift in his status, which involved Harry and Meghan moving to North America, has led to ongoing legal battles over whether the family should continue to be afforded the same level of security, especially given the increasing public and media scrutiny surrounding them. Fatima argued that, under RAVEC's own guidelines, an independent risk assessment should have been conducted to determine the necessary security for Harry, but instead the decision was made using a bespoke process that she claims violated standard procedures. The Home Office, on the other hand, has strongly defended its decision, with its barristers contending that Harry has failed to consider the broader context of the situation. They argue that Harry, by stepping down from his official royal duties, voluntarily altered his relationship with the institution and its resources, and therefore he no longer has the same level of entitlement to security arrangements. The Home Office's barristers have suggested that Harry's appeal reflects a failure to see the wood for the trees, pointing out that security decisions for royals are complex and are not always dictated solely by an individual's personal wishes. Harry's decision to travel to the UK for the appeal, despite his base now being in California, underscores the importance he places on the case. However, his arrival has not been without personal strain, as it is believed that Harry did not meet with his father, King Charles, when he landed in London, despite being in the UK at the same time. King Charles, meanwhile, is currently engaged in a 4-day state visit to Italy, where he and Queen Camilla have been representing the British monarchy in diplomatic efforts to strengthen the relationship between the UK and Italy. Their visit, which includes official engagements in Rome and Ravenna, contrasts with Harry's legal battle, highlighting the differing paths taken by father and son. In addition to the security case, Harry is also dealing with turmoil in the charity sector. His organization, Centibail, which focuses on supporting children and young people in southern Africa affected by HIV/AIDS, has been thrust into the spotlight due to internal conflicts. The charity is under investigation by the Charity Commission, following allegations of harassment and bullying from Dr. Sophie Shandaka, the charity's chairwoman. Harry has strongly denied these accusations, claiming that his departure from the organization, along with other resignations, was a result of mismanagement and that he hopes the ongoing investigation will reveal the truth of the situation. Despite these personal and professional challenges, Harry remains steadfast in his legal fight, which has already cost British taxpayers an estimated £500,000. His appeal to reinstate full security for his family in the UK is not only a legal battle but also a deeply personal one, as he continues to express concerns about the safety of his wife and children. He believes that without adequate protection his family cannot feel safe or truly at home when in the UK, his country of birth. This appeal, which is expected to conclude soon with a written judgment, could set a significant precedent for how security is handled for royals who have chosen to step back from their duties and may influence how future royal engagements and responsibilities are approached. As the legal proceedings continue, the spotlight remains on the ongoing tensions between Harry and the royal family, especially as King Charles's state visit contrasts with his son's decision to continue his legal battle against the institution. While the outcome of the case remains uncertain, the ramifications of this dispute could extend beyond the courtroom, further affecting the royal family's public image and Harry's relationship with his relatives.